Stop. Before you scroll, understand this. You are slowly killing your own potential, and you don't even realize it. This is not motivation. This is a warning. You think you have time? That's the biggest lie you're living in. Every day you wake up, scroll, delay, and tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. You're not resting. You're rehearsing your own failure. No one tells you this, but life doesn't destroy you loudly. It doesn't come with a warning sign or a dramatic moment. It happens quietly, slowly, invisibly. You become average, step by step. One skipped effort, one ignored opportunity, one excuse that felt valid at the time. And the scariest part, you won't even notice it happening. Years from now, you won't remember the comfort you protected today. You'll only remember the person you could have been. And that memory will haunt you more than any failure ever could. Because failure at least means you tried. But regret is proof that you had the chance and still chose to do nothing. Look around you. Most people aren't living. They're distracting themselves from the truth, working jobs they hate, living lives they didn't choose, convincing themselves this is enough just to sleep at night. And if you're not careful, you'll become one of them. Not because you're weak, not because you're incapable, but because you kept choosing easy when it mattered most. This world doesn't reward potential. It rewards obsession, discipline, and the ability to keep going when everything inside you is begging you to quit. Right now, you have two lives, the one you're living and the one you're capable of. And every day you don't act, you're slowly killing the second one. There's no perfect moment coming, no sudden clarity, no magical push. Just you, your excuses, and the truth you're trying to avoid. One day, time will run out, not dramatically, not with a warning, just quietly. And on that day, nothing will hurt more than realizing you had everything you needed to change your life, but you were too comfortable to do it. So don't wait for motivation, because by the time you feel ready, it might already be too late.